EuroAmpli Alien Cardio, a real cath lab on wheels. With a power of 80 kilowatts and a thermal capacity of the Radiogen housing of 12 million thermal units, it is ideal for operating rooms dedicated to interventional cardiology and radiology or vascular endovascular surgery, and for setting up hybrid rooms. A real suite on wheels. Thanks also to the perfect synchronization with our patient table model CT70T Evolution. Thanks to the variable SID, to the generator separated from the high-performance X-ray tube, to the high-speed rotating anode with a diameter of 102 millimeters, with a thermal anode capacity of 857,000 thermal units and an anodic dissipation of 174,000 thermal units per minute, values that far exceed competitors' analogs, the EuroAmpli Alien Cardio models stand out as the world's highest performing mobile C-arms. They are one of a kind. The peculiarity of these systems is that despite being mobile on wheels, they are able to perform the same clinical procedures that until now have normally been performed only using stationary systems. All this thanks to a very deep arm that has the ability to move on 5 axes, unique in the world, ensuring total isocentrism on all projections. Thanks to innovative X-ray tube temperature control systems, all radiological emission parameters are constantly controlled and normalized by sophisticated software, which, taking into account the information coming from the cooling system and the type of procedure in progress, manages the acquisition frame rate and pulse and the RX exposure parameters in real time, guaranteeing perfect images even during particularly demanding procedures. All imaging parameters are optimized in terms of RX dose emission to protect both the patient and the operator without ever having to give up the quality of the images. For this reason, both the X-ray beam filtrations and the dose released to the patient are kept under strict control by special automatisms, which act and constantly self-regulate during the X-ray emission. The system is equipped with a particular algorithm capable of recognizing the type of objects present in the irradiated field, even if not positioned in the center of it, and defining in real time the optimal exposure and display values together with contrast and brightness. As option, both an LED light to improve the vision of the operating field and a laser pointer to facilitate the centering of the district to be examined are available. The operator's monitor can be a dual-split 31.5 inches with a resolution of 4K or a multi-split 55 inches that can be installed on a ceiling suspension, Mavic, or on an easy-to-move small trolley. The management of the entire system is guaranteed by 2 15.6-inch touchscreen displays named ETS15, which, in addition to displaying real-time and reference images, can control the functions of the entire system. The additional interfaces, both the multifunctional foot switch and the console equipped with joysticks, use the wireless connection. This increases safety and makes sanitization easier. The two ETS15 are synchronized, but they can also work asynchronously to optimize times within the operating room and facilitate work even in the presence of a double operator. The first display is positioned on the C-arm, while the second can be freely positioned according to the room configuration or specific operational needs. For example, it can be installed on a practical mini trolley to be able to move it when desired, or alternatively positioned on the operating bed or in the control room for a fantastic control of all the functions of the instrument. EuroAmpli Alien Cardio is ready for our Fusion software. Thanks to the work of the company's internal research and development department, EuroColumbus is currently the only company that can boast this technology integrated with a software managing a mobile system. The application software, complete with all standard packages including full DICOM connectivity, works in a Linux environment and is supported by top-level hardware. All safety and control procedures are active and functioning simultaneously and in real time. This makes it possible to further increase patient safety thanks to the continuous control of the active anti-collision system functioning simultaneously on both the detector side and the X-ray tube side, unique in the world to be able to stop the movement before the collision from both sides. With EuroAmpli Alien Cardio, it will be possible to perform all the clinical procedures until now reserved only for fixed angiographs.